So it's the middle of summer and our rooftop AC is not working. I don't think it's the refrigerant. I don't see any leak anywhere, so I've ordered a new capacitor. And in the meantime, while it's being delivered, we had a trip coming up and I wanted to go ahead and still have some cool air for this 100-degree weather. So we decided to make this air conditioner holder for one of our windows. Our windows are not the sliding kind. They lean out. You'll see on the outside in just a moment. I wanted to show the inside panel. What I did here. This is just a piece of OBS plywood. You can use whatever, obviously. And it's a sandwich plate. I watched some YouTube videos and did a mixture of 2 different videos that I'll link and give credit. But 4 bolts here hold it together, and I'll show you the outside next. So this is the inside plate, and let's go outside. Okay, this is the outside. See, as you can see, our windows, they lean out instead of slide, which has its little bit of set of difficulties compared to some other campers. But this is the outside plate. The inside plate, I created a little platform, so this is connected to the inside plate. Yeah, my fins are kind of busted up. I got this air conditioner used, but it works well. And I've just got these 4 bolts with some butterfly nuts. And I'll show you how it comes apart. So this is a little bit more helpful if you have a beautiful wife to help you hold the window up if you've got these lean outs. But we're gonna go ahead and take these butterfly nuts off. Oops, put them in my pocket. And take this outside plate off. Just like that. Okay, let's go back inside. So, just real quick, this is what inside my plate looks like from this side. And I think I'm probably gonna, and I've got some, some insulation, but I'm gonna probably do that a little bit better. This is the first run with this thing and it did great. I've got a little piece of wood under here that kind of helps support it a little bit more. Okay, I'm back inside. I'm gonna take all my nuts out. These are just 4" by 1/4 inch. And I'm gonna put all my, this is common sense. Keep everything together. And turn off the air conditioner, unplug it, move the plug out of the way. Now we're gonna bring it inside and set her down. And this does take a little bit of a finesse. I like to grab it. Oh, yeah, we still have condensation there. Hold on. Okay, let's pull it out. Set her down. I've got a towel on the floor down here just in case there's any extra condensation that didn't drip out. Watch your foot.
Can you hand me that stick? Look, over here.
Okay, our window's open. Go ahead and I'm gonna bring her down. This comes back through. That's it. And this is where it rides for travel, and then we can just throw it back up in there. It is easier if your pop slide out is out to install it, but depending on the width of your window or however you do this in your camper setup, like I had to bring the pop out in and then set it down in there just because of the width and where my space is. So then we just set it back up in there. I'm hoping I can get this rooftop AC fixed. And for summertime, we'll just, honestly, I might run both of them. In Texas, it gets hot. So, hope this helps y'all. I did quite a bit of research. I'm going to link the 2 videos that I learned from. And then I kind of took techniques and kind of learned from both of them and made my own. And I'm thinking that's how you're going to have to do in your camper, is modify it to your setup. That's kind of, so I watched their videos and then made my own. And I didn't make the video on me actually making it. I just wanted to show it in functioning, because I think that's where I get more value anyway. I don't really need to show it being built. I just want to show it in use, and then I can take it from there. So hope you all are doing good. Talk to you soon.